Hi there, I'm Lauren Kay and you're watching The Knot. Today I'm going to show you how we can upcycle a cake topper into a cake topper snow globe. Let's get started. So in order to do this craft, you're going to need a few supplies, including a mason jar, or in our case, a slightly larger jar to account for our cake topper. You can use your cake topper or something else important to you from your wedding day. You'll need a little glycerin, hot glue gun, and some water. And you'll also need some paint if you want to paint your topper, which is what I'll do first. So I'm using silver paint, but you can use any color that's special to you, maybe your wedding colors, maybe something that works with your decor. And I'm just gonna paint the inside of the jar here. This is where we're gonna glue our cake topper. So I'm gonna give it a nice base. And this jar, we like the lid because it's white, which is really simple. Works for any decor. And then because this is a snow globe, I'm gonna also add a little glitter, make it festive. So as you can see, it's really easy to do. Not too time consuming. Now I'm gonna add some glitter, our snow here. Give it a little extra shine. Just gonna shake it around, giving us a nice base. So once your paint's dry, whoop, little glitter there, you're going to hot glue your figurine to the bottom of the dish. Make sure you get a nice chunk of glue on here so it sticks. Okay, and aim to put it in the center of the lid so that the globe will go around it, like so. So while we give this cake topper a little time to dry, we're going to go ahead and prepare our snow globe. So you want to add your water to the jar, filling it almost to the top, but leaving a little bit of room to account for the volume of your cake topper. Okay, so now that we have the water in the jar, we're going to add our glitter. And this is the time to personalize it with whatever glitter you want. I'm gonna use some of this iridescent glitter I used on the bottom of the jar, and also maybe a little silver. And we have this cute star glitter I'm also gonna include. So you just open it up, pour it inside. This is what's gonna cascade down on your cake topper when you're all done. Might have overdone it a little there. And some more iridescent glitter. All right, so once you've got your glitter in place, the next step is to add a little glycerin. And you need about a tablespoon of this. This just helps make the water a little thicker. And will allow the snow to fall down. Okay, last step. We're going to add our cake topper into the water and seal your jar. And make sure you get a really good, tight seal. So once you've got it all together, make sure your lid is screwed on really tightly. And then shake it up and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Join the conversation in the comments, like, subscribe, and check back weekly for more videos from The Knot.